Today is January 2nd, 2010. We just got hit with another blizzard. Yeah, doesn't look like it's a lot of snow, but it's 2 feet. 2 feet a night again.
And then some areas 3 feet.
Oh, that's because a lot of the 3 feet areas are a lot more drifted snow area, and where people have like shovels, they have like 3 feet of snow drifts at least. And, like here in our back porch area, you can't even tell where ground is and where the stairs head. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this just came in one night. We were hit. Oh, this is. Yeah, well, all this is just like effect, so if you don't live by Lake Michigan, you didn't get any snow. This is all hit. They were still getting more tonight yet. They said we're supposed to get at least another foot or so, and then we're supposed to get more on Sunday and Monday. So it looks like we might get another snow day. Our car is completely covered. Except for trash bin. That's pretty cool. I like the snow. It's a perfect day for sledding, but unfortunately for me, I actually have homework to do because I have it sometime next week. I hope you had a good New Year, because this is my awesome New Year present. Tons of snow. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah. We're supposed to, they said on the news we're up to like 30 inches of snow. We're only probably at 24 inches maybe right now, I don't know. So we're still getting more. It's a lot. I like it. I hope you did too. If you don't live where snows, I'm really sorry, because this is awesome. I know a lot of you are really jealous right now. Suck it up. Okay, bye.